Okay, students. Next topic we are going to discuss is that product method. Product method is nothing but the value of final product is derived by the summation of all the values added in the productive process. What is productive method is a product method is measure of output of the economy or a country, and this is also known as the inventory method. Under this method, the gross value of output from different sectors like agriculture, industry, trade and commerce, etc. should be obtained for the entire economy, and the value of final product and care must be taken to avoid double counting, and to avoid double counting either the value of final output should be taken into the estimate of GNP or sum of value of added should be taken. Here for our example, the gross value of farm output is obtained as follows. Total production of 64 agriculture commodities estimated, and each commodity is valued at a market price when it go for a market for sales, and it measures the gross value of 64 commodities of a total output and the net value of agricultural output. How can we get net value? We can deduct the depreciation like seeds, manures, fertilizer, market charges, etc. deducted through gross value. Then we can get a net value of 64 agricultural commodities. Similarly, the same like gross value of animal husbandry, forestry, fishery, mining, factory establishments also obtain same like multiplying their estimates for total production with market price, output into market price, then we can get gross value. Then net value, for net value we have to deduct the depreciation from gross value, we can get net value of agriculture commodities or any other values, and net value of each sector measured in this way indicate the net contribution of sector to the national income. And what are the precautions are in while calculating national income in product method? First precaution is double counting should be avoided. When we calculate a national income through product method, we should take care of double counting. The raw materials and intermediate goods should not added with final goods like cotton and tire industry. These industries are double counted, may happen. We should take care while adding these sectors. And value of output of self consumption should be counted. Farmers keeping their produce for self consumption, that value also added in national income through product method. And second hand goods should not be included. A sale and purchase of car, phone, etc. should not be added while calculating national income through product method. That is why in India this method applied to only for agriculture, mining, manufacturing and handicrafts. But the most of the underdeveloped countries use product method, but it is less reliable. The margin of error in this method is large. That's why India not taken to calculating national income through product method, only for agriculture.